And a prison officer in Busia County has been placed under mandatory quarantine at the Agricultural Training Center isolation facility after he was found in a compromising situation with a COVID-19 female patient at the facility. The warder, Emmanuel Ngetich, was among 6 officers from Busia prisons who were assigned security duties at the facility. Ngetich brings us the compilation of the COVID-19 mitigation measures from across the counties.
According to police reports, one of the officers who was on a routine patrol on Thursday night noticed the suspect conversing with one of the female patients. In the wee hours of Friday morning, they had a commotion from one of the wards. On searching the wards, they found some of the patients standing outside. The patients alleged the officer and one of the female patients were engaging in sexual activities, resulting in his arrest.
Stated clearly that this matter is under investigation, and it is until that it is established whether that act took place, that is when we'll go a step further. If allegations come true, the officer will be charged with sexual offences relating to a person in authority as per the Sexual Offences Act 2006.
Elsewhere, as the annual wildebeest migration begin in the famous Masai Mara, 7 restaurants have been cleared by health officials to reopen, with 314 workers in Masai Mara taking a COVID-19 test. Narok County Governor Samuel Oletunai said the employees tested negative and are expected to begin working. He said the restaurants must continue to adhere to the COVID-19 regulations as they receive guests.
In line with the phased reopening of the economy, the county government of Narok has embarked on concerted measures to rejuvenate our tourism sector and in particular to reopen the Masai Mara Game Reserve for business. In that regard, we have instituted strict measures to ensure that all facilities in the Mara adhere to international standard of public health safety as condition to resumption of business.
This as Nyeri Catholic Archbishop Anthony Moheria said elaborate plans have been put in place to ensure all laid down health precautions are observed before churches reopen on Sunday. Moheria, who is also the chair of the National Interfaith Committee tasked with supervising the resumption of in-person congregational worship and spiritual functions in strict adherence to the containment measures, said that they had set rules and procedures to be followed by the churches as they carry out their services. Elsewhere, Machakos Governor Dr. Alfred Mutua is expressing concerns over the rising cases of COVID-19 in the country.
This is a very trying era. As you're aware, the numbers are growing. As Council of Governors, we are quite concerned, actually scared, that if this trend continues, we'll be in a lot of trouble.
And some 50 schools in Nyandarua County have benefited from 10,000-litre water tanks from the National Government Affirmative Action Fund. This in preparedness for school reopening.
Tuko na about 50 head teachers hapa kwangu wakichukua hizi tanks na ndio to prepare shule zikianzishwa maybe in September or January, wherever it will be. At least watoto wakirudi shule watakuta kuna maji.
Ngetich, Channel 1 News.